بەکارهێنانی ئەم وشانە لە ڕستەدا. assure, ensure, ensure. assure واتای دڵنیاییدانە بە کەسێک. ensure واتای مسۆگەرکردنی ڕوودانی کارێک یان پێدانی بەڵێنێک. ensure واتای تەئمینکردنی مڵک و ئۆتۆمبیل هەتا دوایی بە پارە. لەم دیالۆگەی نێوان لوسیا و کاڤێ لە جیاوازی نێوان ئەم سێ وشەیە تێدەگەن.
This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Lucia.
And I'm Kaveh. Since we're on the topic of homophones, I thought we could talk about insure, insure, and assure.
But those aren't really homophones. Those are commonly confused words.
Yeah, that's what I meant. They're confusing words.
It's simple to learn the difference. I assure you.
I don't get it.
Well, I was trying to remove any doubt or anxiety you might be feeling right now through encouragement. Did it work?
Not really.
But that's what assure means. It's something you do to help create certainty in others.
Meg assured her sister that she looked good in her prom dress.
I don't know.
Listen, I can ensure that you'll learn the difference between these three words today.
See, that's the confusing part. Assure, insure.
Don't worry. To ensure is to make sure something happens, to guarantee it. When I said I could ensure you would learn something, I meant that I could guarantee you would learn something.
I need to study to ensure I get a good grade.
So basically, you're assuring me by saying you'll ensure that I learn the difference?
Exactly.
What about insure?
That's an easy one. Most commonly, insure means to provide financial protection to a person, place, or thing.
You need to insure your car before you can drive it.